Well, most of us devote a great deal of our time and resources to music, whether we're making music or listening to it. It can help and hurt us depending upon how we use it. Dr. Bill Baker joins us today to tell us how we can use music as medicine. Good morning and thanks for joining us.
Well, thanks, Sherry. Glad to be here.
Well, so let's talk about this. How can we use music as medicine?
Well, most of us would acknowledge readily that music does have a profound influence upon us. Now, that influence could be positive or negative. Sometimes it's negative and music can be harmful to us. Hopefully, we will use music as a kind of good medicine. In fact, Sherry, ongoing research is documenting that selected music has a powerful positive impact upon things like, our healing, physical health, and our emotional moods. In fact, music has the power to alter our brain chemistry and our immune system, and it can also help people who are recovering from surgical procedures in terms of pain management and improved healing. I use it a great deal in my therapy work to help people dealing with depression and anxiety and even anger management. The American Music Therapy Association promotes music in clinical settings to help people reach their desired goals for improved health. So with all that in mind, we can certainly think of music as good medicine.
I imagine if you're feeling down in the dumps or more so depressed, that if you listen to an upbeat, uplifting song, then that would tend to cheer you up and get you in a better mood than you normally would be, bring you out a little bit out of the funk you're in.
Well, definitely so. If we use music as good medicine, we need to follow several tips. First, we need to understand how music affects us individually in terms of our physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual health. The words or lyrics of songs reinforce within us specific beliefs that lead us to either positive or negative behavior. We need to know how our minds and moods are altered by the music we listen to or by the music we make. Secondly, we need, with that knowledge in mind, we need to increase the music that's good for us and decrease the music that is harmful to us. And all this discernment, this management of music is much more important when we're going through such a tough time like a heavy loss, an unwanted divorce, the death of a loved one. So music can really hinder us and hurt us at times like that, or can lift us up and help us.
And you mentioned during the break when we were talking that playing an instrument is even better than just listening to it.
Research is showing that while listening to certain selected music can help us, playing the music tends to allow us to get more benefit out of it. Essentially, we need to ask the question, what kind of person do I want to become, and then select music that will help move us toward that goal. And hopefully we'll choose positive music that will lead us in a positive direction. And when we make that choice, then we are using music as good medicine that will help us lead healthier and happier lives.
All right, thank you. Good information.
Well, glad to be here.
Have a great day.
Thank you.